Welcome to Crystal's Curiosity Corner. Today we are going to talk about fall color and leaves. Deciduous trees lose their leaves in the fall, while evergreen don't. But evergreen is a bit of a funny term. People are usually referring to coniferous trees, which are cone-bearing, like pine. But some coniferous trees lose their leaves in the winter, which would make them deciduous conifers and certainly not evergreen. Evergreen trees still lose their leaves, just a few at a time, not all at once. So let's look a little more closely at these deciduous trees. Why do the leaves change color? Chlorophyll is a green pigment in leaves. As summer ends and trees begin to prepare for winter, they stop making new chlorophyll molecules. There are two types of pigment responsible for leaf color. The first set, carotenoids, are yellows, oranges, and browns. These pigments are in the leaf all the time, they're just covered up by the green chlorophyll. The second type, anthocyanins, are red and purple. These pigments are produced as the sugar molecules are trapped in the leaf as the tree shuts it down in preparation for leaf drop. Drought stress can also cause color change. Tulip poplars are the #1 suspect for this. They are really sensitive to drought stress and often in late summer start dropping yellow leaves. The best fall color is when we have cool nights but not freezing. Only some areas of the world have pretty fall colors. You need to have lots of deciduous trees to get that beautiful display. Some trees, like beeches, don't fully drop their leaves until spring. The dead leaves dry out but stay on the tree until the fresh spring leaves push them off the tree. This is called marrescence. Why do the trees lose their leaves? Well, maintaining a leaf requires energy and water. Dropping those leaves puts the tree into conservation mode to help them survive the harsh times of winter. It also helps them survive the ice and snow. What triggers the trees to drop their leaves? This is set off by the day length. The specific timing varies from species to species. Some start early, like black gum and dogwood, and some are much later, like oak. Black gum and sourwood are going to start changing in August, and on the other end we have oaks who won't drop their leaves until late November. Some trees are going to be the same color every year. For example, hickories are always yellow. Sweet gums are one of our prettiest trees that can bring out those reds and purples when we have the cool nights. One last thing about those leaves. One of the worst things you can do is bag them up and send them to your city's recycling. First, those leaves contain nutrients that need to go back into the soil for the trees. Removing the leaves breaks the nutrient cycle from the trees back to the soil. Second, many of our delightful insect friends overwinter in the leaf litter. If you remove those leaves, you're taking away next year's butterflies and insects. Be a friend to nature and leave the leaves. Head outside and look for these beautiful leaves. I hope you understand a little bit more about this awesome nature process. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of fall color in North Carolina from Crystal's Curiosity Corner. If you enjoyed the video or have questions, please leave a comment, and if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Stay curious!